Welcome back to our channel. Today we are disembarking the Disney Wish, and we are going to show you exactly all the processes that are involved to get off the ship and head over to Disney and stay at the Contemporary. We're going to eat at the California Grill and watch the fireworks from the rooftop over at Magic Kingdom. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you would like to see more of our travel content. And make sure to go back and watch all of our amazing cruise videos to see all of the cool stuff that we got to do before we had to leave the ship. It's always so hard to end a vacation, but we had to get up nice and early and watch that beautiful sunrise one last time off our balcony before heading to a 7 a.m. breakfast. Well, it's our last morning already. We got up early and let the daylight in through our balcony. Our last balcony view. We're very sad to see it go, but you know, time to go back to reality and
join people again, like interact.
You've been interacting with people. So we're having breakfast at Arendelle this morning. They do this as like the last real quick hurrah. So yeah. Hi Jonathan. Rise and shine. Good morning, good morning. So after we finish our breakfast here, we're gonna go ahead and head to the Contemporary. Are you excited about the Contemporary? Yes, coffee. All the coffee. Thank you. So the Contemporary is one of the original Disney hotels, and it's themed after The Incredibles. So I'm excited to see it. Yeah. My parents stayed at the Disney resorts and at Disney World when it first opened for their honeymoon. So I just think it was so cool that this place is still going, and some of the places look like the 70s still, like the Contemporary. It's got that style, so yeah, it's pretty cool.
Fun fact, they used to have skiers there. They used to do skiing competitions at Disney.
Really? All right, I'm gonna drink my coffee now. Our last breakfast was just as spectacular as every other meal. Now, they do remind you lots of times to make sure to tip your wait staff. They give you these little envelopes. We did prepaid gratuities, and we did a little extra here and there for some extra special cast members. Hang in there, Joan. Let's turn around and go back already.
Yeah, can we turn around and go back?
I'm so excited to get off the ship. Goodbye. The night before, you take your luggage tags that they leave you and put it on your suitcase items that you want to be picked up and taken to the cruise terminal. And it makes it so much easier that you don't have to carry all of your luggage off the ship unless you want to. You don't have to put them outside your door the night before, but we did because we have so many bags between the 5 of us. You just simply get off the ship. You go through customs. There's people there, as you saw, waiting to help you carry all the baggage that you need through, and makes the process super, super easy. After that, we headed back to Disney World on the Disney Cruise Line buses. You can actually go directly to the airport or any of the Disney hotels. We were staying at the Contemporary, so this made it a lot easier. We just headed over to the hotel, got checked in, and went directly to the pool while we were waiting for our room to be ready. We got there pretty early in the morning, so it wasn't technically check-in time, but the lady at the front desk was super nice, and she said that she would try to get the room ready as early as possible, and she suggested that we go and see if we can get reservations for the California Grill. We actually were able to snag those reservations using mouse dining, and we had lunch here at the Steakhouse as well, which was okay, but we still really enjoyed having that nice lunch. After lunch, we were able to check into our room, which was this fantastic Incredibles themed room. This is in part of the old section of the hotel, so it wasn't the nicest section, but the rooms were really nice. Just walking to the rooms was a little iffy. After that, we went back down to the main section of the hotel, and I really enjoyed going shopping. They have 3 different places that you can go shopping for all of the Disney merchandise that you could possibly think of. So this was a great opportunity to catch any of those items that we didn't get while we were on the cruise. While we were on the cruise, we tried to get the things that were exclusive Disney cruise merchandise that we maybe wanted, but anything else that is just Disney World merchandise, they still had it here as well, just the same as you would get in any of the parks or at Disney Springs. So this was kind of a nice place to stop. Along with the shops, they do also have an arcade area if you're staying a little bit longer. We didn't really go and play in here, but I did take a look at it. And I really enjoyed going and checking out all of the amazing designs in the monorail, how it comes directly through the middle of the hotel. I just kind of wanted to wander around and look at everything. Finally, it was time for dinner, and we headed over to our reservation spot at California Grill. This place is amazing, and it is a prefix menu, so be prepared for that. It was quite pricey, but it was definitely worth it because once you finish your dinner, you're able to take your receipt back up later after dark before the fireworks start and show them that you had dinner there, and they let you go on their rooftop section to watch the Magic Kingdom fireworks that night.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
After our amazing dinner, we headed back down the elevator to the hotel just to hang out again. We wanted to kill some time just wandering around the grounds and hanging out in the lobby until it was time for the fireworks show at about 9:30. Once it was fireworks time, we headed back up the elevator and got our spot nice and early on that balcony that we talked about before. All you do is you show them your receipt that you ate at the restaurant, and you're able to get this prime view. It was the perfect place to watch the amazing fireworks from Magic Kingdom.
Some people are worth melting for.
Yay, Frozen. After the fireworks show, Dad wasn't feeling very well. He was kind of battling a little bit of a cold. He went back to the hotel and Willow was tired as well. So the twins and I headed over to the Polynesian and were last in line to get Dole Whip before the place closed down. It was actually kind of cool being the last people because the guy standing behind us to make sure nobody else got in line was really funny, and he even took a picture of us. It was pretty late by the time we headed back, and we went swimming for a bit and headed to bed. The next morning we got up early, grabbed our Uber, and headed on down to the airport. We were so tired and ready to get home, so we had a quick lunch at one of our favorite Cuban places in the Orlando airport and boarded our flight back to Texas to the real world. This amazing journey is over, but we have so many more to come and so many cool things to check out on our channel. So definitely don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to catch any of our new videos that are coming up. Until next time, stay adventurous.